Hey guys, it's me, your girl Way, and in this week's video, I'm going to be doing my slime collection. So let's get started. This is my first slime. I'm going to be doing this video quick because I don't want to do it very long. Make it very long, I mean. Right there. So that is that slime. Very original. Next one is my pink Sparkalicious, not Pinkalicious, because it's not pink, it's orange. This one is very sticky, so I'm not really like crazy about this one. See, it's very sticky. I can't really do any more with that one because I don't want it to get all over my hands. So, sorry you can't see my eyes, it's out of your position. Next I have my fluffy pink butter slime. Let's just get that angle. And no, I'm not using a tripod, I'm using my iPod. So that's why I can only use one hand to poke my slime with because I have to hold my iPod in the other. Next one, I have my orange dream slime. This is like one of my favorites, but it looks yellow, but it's really orange. But sorry. So that one, I have one more. Start with my eyes again. And then it's called Bubble Tea. It's green, obviously, because it's bubble tea. Okay, there, get that angle. Oops, sorry. So, let's just put this one away. So, I hope you guys enjoyed this week's video. Please like, subscribe, and comment down below. I'll see you guys next week. Bye!